Hang a bag of water in your kitchen, and you will not stop thanking me for what will happen next. Also, if you stay until the end of this video, I will teach you why you should put toothpaste on the knife in your kitchen. And if the knives in your house are broken and have no edge, I will also teach you a way how you can leave them as new, using salt and a cup. So let's get to know what it's like to hook a bag of water in your kitchen. To do this, we will need a plastic bag, an elastic band, and a piece of aluminum foil. The first step we will do is cut the aluminum foil into 4 parts and make some balls with each piece of paper. Fill half of the plastic bag with water. We throw the aluminum foil balls into the bag. And we proceed to make a knot to the plastic bag using the elastic band. And this way it has to look more or less like this. If you put this plastic bag with water and aluminum foil in your kitchen, you will never see a fly in your house again, since the reflection caused by the water with the aluminum foil is a visual repellent for flies. If you are one of the people who have gone to the butcher shop, you will notice that they always have a plastic bag hanging with water, and this is the reason. You can put it anywhere in your kitchen or somewhere else where flies are frequent, and so they will never come close again. And for the second trick, I will teach you why you should put toothpaste on your knife. For this, we will need a package of toothpaste of the brand you prefer. First, make sure that the knife is clean, and then apply the paste evenly on the blade of the knife. Once this is done, let the paste rest for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I will take a cup of ceramic and put it upside down. Now, with the help of a spoon, I will take a little salt and add it to the bottom of the cup. I will water the salt a little on the edges of the cup in this way. Although this seems a bit strange to you what I am doing, it is very helpful. We take the knife again with the toothpaste and rub the sheet several times along the edge of the cup. As time goes by, the knives tend to rust, which causes them to lose their edge and stop cutting like when you bought them. Toothpaste is an excellent anti-corrosive, which will help eliminate the rust of your knives. While on the other hand, the edge of the cup along with the salt will help your knives regain their shine and cut like new. If you have come this far, let me know which of these tricks was your favorite. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.
Como este.